morning, everybody! Good morning! I think you can do better than that in a beautiful day like today. Good morning! Good morning! Thank you all for coming. If you don't know, it's the celebration of our Shay locomotive. 8 years we've spent renovating it, restoring it. It's only one in Canada. There's only 21 in the world. If you get a chance to go take a picture, it's good. The new one now. Bittersweet news. I've been here for 10 years. Today's my last day. Congratulations. So yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm retiring today. Fourth time I've retired. This is it, for sure. And now probably the last time you're going to hear me say this. Who wants to go for a train ride?
The train is leaving. I want to go for a train ride. Train ride. Yeah. Reach for it, Mr. Kenner.
Are you taping this or no?
I'm going to be doing video, yeah.
No, right now.
Oh yeah, but that's okay.
I thought you might want to.
Yeah. Well, that was beautiful.